Hello YouTube, this is Trainboy90 Productions here. Today we have another Wooden Railway 2022 engine right here. We're gonna take a look at the 2022 Wooden Railway Hiro that I got of when I recorded this video. I got him from Barnes & Noble. We're gonna take a look at Hiro and let's take a look at his model. We're gonna look at his box. You can see Hiro's model right over here. He has the spoked wheels, one of the two 2022 Wooden Railway engines with the spoked wheels. The only other one to have spoked wheels is Rebecca, who I previously did an unboxing video of. On the top of the box, we have the Thomas & Friends Wooden Railway logo. We have Hiro's name and his name in other languages, 3 other languages shown. Here's the back of the box, right over here. You can see all the warnings and stuff back here. And all the other stuff here. See the FSC logo right there. Track sold separately. SAM number, of course, is HBK11. Some more trademark stuff. Here on this side of the box, we have the FSC logo. Over here, 100% wood from well-managed forests. And front of the box, we have Hiro's name right over here. We're going to slide open the box. Here's a nice look at Hiro's model. You can see his face right over here, his smiling face, and his nameplate. We're going to get into more detail of Hiro when we unbox him. And further ado, we're going to unbox Hiro and see what's inside the box. We're going to take a look inside of Hiro's box. We're going to unbox Hiro and see what is inside. Takes one simple cut right on one side here. We're going to push him out of his package right over here. On the top right here it says thomasandfriends.com. In the back of this sleeve it says Thomas & Friends Wooden Railway, the logo. Yet again, there's the FSC logo. He comes out just like this. A nice full look at the model, including his tender. The coal is made out of plastic. Of course, he comes with a pamphlet, just like every other wooden railway engine. And we're going to cut the wires off right over here, so Hiro can come out of his packaging. Be careful when using knives, everyone. Hiro is finally out of his package. And we're going to take a look at Hiro's model as soon as we start cleaning up this area right here. I'm just putting this away over here. Of course, Hiro has this sleeve over here. I'm going to put his box away, and we're going to take a look at his model right over here. First, we're going to take a look at the locomotive right over here. Move the camera down a little bit. Take a better look at Hiro. We're going to take a close look at his face. He has a very nice looking face over here, as you can see. Over here. His eyebrows, his face is 2D, like the other 2022 Wooden Railway engines. His buffer details, of course the smoke box area, including the lamp, and of course his smoke deflectors are plastic, same with his dome. Right inside here, we have some cab detailing. Pretty cool. I like all the detail he has on the sides, which includes the pistons. Of course, he has the spoked wheels, just like with Rebecca. Except the front wheels are not Well, with this style of spokes. Not the other style like you see with Thomas, Percy, James, and all those. Dome is also plastic. You can see his nameplate, which says Hiro, which is his name. On the underside, we have Hiro right over here. The Thomas and Friends logo. Well, without the Thomas and Friends, his item number, and of course the serial number. And his tender, 6 wheels right over here. The coal is plastic, the rest is all wood. This is the underside of the tender. This is Hiro's tender, Thomas and Friends logo, his item number, and serial number. Of course, he is a very nice looking model, pretty much in my opinion. And we are going to end this unboxing video right here. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of Wooden Railway Hiro, and I hope you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll end it right here. We'll see you all next time, and of course, goodbye.